Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are fit and fine. We have been discussing the lesson named Child Development. Today actually from the study material that was given already to you, from that study material, chapter 5 Human Development, this particular study material, actually I know that you already have this study material, but I have decided to upload it again so that you can easily understand from which SM I am going to discuss the things. That's why I am uploading the same study material again. Okay, today. So from this study material today we will be discussing some aspects of development. First one, physical development. It refers to increase in weight and height and the associated change in shape and size of the child. Okay. 0 to 5 years. At 2 to 3 years, the child weight is approximately 12 kg to 14 kg respectively. Thereafter, the children grow by approximately 2 kg per year. Actually, from these things, there can be a lot of short questions. If you are given short questions, then you need to memorize these things properly. So, you need to go through these things minutely. Okay, the child grow by approximately 3 to 4 per year. Okay, the legs and hands grow at a faster rate during infancy. Consequently, the body proportion shows considerable improvement. Obviously, if your legs are growing fast, then your body shape will be changed very fast. Differences in body build becomes apparent for the first time in early childhood. Some children have an endomorphic or flabby fat body build. Some have a mesomorphic or sturdy muscular body build, and some have an ectomorphic or relatively thin body build. Yes, body structure varies from person to person, from child to child. That thing only has been mentioned here. The vision develops steadily and rapidly in the first few weeks of life. The development of teeth is an important aspect of physical growth. Human beings get two sets of teeth in life, the temporary teeth and permanent teeth. The temporary teeth that fall off at a certain age, and then the permanent teeth come out. Now 6 to 12 years. An average 12-year-old measures 147 cm in height and 37 kg in weight. Arms and legs grow much longer and become proportional to the trunk of the body and the head. Next, the skeleton system develops. During late childhood, fat tissue develops more rapidly than muscle tissue, which has a marked growth spurt beginning at puberty. Next, by the onset of puberty, a child normally has 28 of 32 permanent teeth. Okay. Now, characteristics of early childhood. The child learns to play in a group. Vocabulary increases and the child knows more than 2000 words. Child's thinking is egocentric, that is about himself or herself. The child likes to imitate people and their behavior, the funny nature. He or she becomes very active and becomes very independent. Child needs approval from parents and needs their encouragement and patience. Child gains in height and body weight. Their fine motor skills improve and they learn to do a lot of things with their hands and fingers. Okay, characteristics of childhood. No, now we have already discussed. Now the thing that we just discussed, that is actually the characteristics of early childhood. Now we will learn the characteristics of late childhood. Eye and hand coordination is well developed, that is as needed in a game like badminton and carom. By the age of 9 to 10, girls begin to grow faster than boys. Important. At this age, boys and girls begin to have separate interests. Children feel the need of for belonging to a gang and to have best friends who are the same age and sex. We all have crossed this phase, right? So I think you can also relate. A child likes to boast about himself and herself. Attention span is quite long and can concentrate for a longer period of time. They need a warm, friendly and encouraging relationship with others. A child likes to take decision on his or her own. Okay, they consider themselves to be seniors. Okay, that thing. Now, factors affecting physical development that you need to read from your book only. After that, motor development, cognitive development, social development, emotional development, language development, and so many other things, so many other kinds of development, and their aspects, their the milestones of those things have been mentioned in this study material very beautifully in a very organized manner. So I would suggest you to go through the study material. If you can't find it, I have already uploaded it. The same study material I am uploading, that was provided by Monica ma'am. So you can go and download today's study material. You can easily get that and go through the study material. Today we are going to have a live class, and in live class today I will ask questions from this particular study material. Okay, so I am suggesting you to go through the study material to read the important things properly. Then we will have a discussion during the live class. So for now, bye bye. We will meet in the live class.